Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is tribology the study of? Is it A. the process of human psychological evolution? B. cetaceans, whales, dolphins, and porpoise? C. the ecological interrelationships among communities of organisms? Or D. friction and lubrication? The answer is D. friction and lubrication.
Tribology, the study of friction and lubrication, plays a crucial role in everything from reducing wear in car engines to ensuring smooth ice skating. The term comes from the Greek tribos, meaning rubbing. Without tribology, everyday activities like walking or using machinery would be far less efficient and more prone to breakdowns.
Question 2. As what is infantile paralysis more commonly known? Is it A. smallpox, B. mumps, C. polio, or D. syphilis? The answer is C. polio.
Polio, once known as infantile paralysis, was a feared disease that primarily affected children and could lead to permanent disability. The iron lung, a massive mechanical respirator, became an iconic symbol of the fight against polio before vaccines nearly eradicated the disease in many parts of the world.
Question 3. What is the word for a group of ponies? Is it A. a host, B. a herd, C. a sounder, or D. a pack? The answer is B. a herd.
A group of ponies is called a herd, much like their larger horse relatives. Ponies are known for their intelligence and strong social bonds within these herds. Despite their small stature, they exhibit a remarkable sense of community and often display playful behaviors that strengthen relationships among the group members.
Question 4. What is agrobiology the study of? Is it A. plant nutrition in relation to soil conditions, B. existence, C. dreams, or D. emetics? The answer is A. plant nutrition in relation to soil conditions.
Agrobiology delves into the fascinating world of plant nutrition, exploring how soil conditions influence growth and health. This field helps optimize crop yields by understanding nutrient cycles and soil interactions, ensuring sustainable agriculture. It's like being a detective for plants, uncovering the secrets beneath our feet to feed the world efficiently.
Question 5. What is hydrogeology the study of? Is it A. the cosmos or our place in it, B. underground water, C. the effect of evolution on ethology, or D. Tibet? The answer is B. underground water.
Hydrogeology, the study of underground water, reveals fascinating secrets about our planet's hidden waterways. These subterranean aquifers can store vast amounts of freshwater, more than all the rivers and lakes combined. Hydrogeologists play a crucial role in ensuring sustainable water management, helping to quench the thirst of millions while protecting delicate ecosystems.
Question 6. What type of rocks are created by the cooling and hardening of lava or magma? Is it A. metamorphic rocks, B. igneous rocks, C. fossils, or D. sedimentary rocks? The answer is B. igneous rocks.
Igneous rocks, born from the fiery embrace of Earth's molten heart, are nature's original storytellers. Formed as lava or magma cools and solidifies, these rocks can be found in both volcanic eruptions and deep beneath the crust. The word igneous comes from the Latin ignis, meaning fire.
Question 7. What is the name of the lymphoid organ located in the throat? Is it A. Adrenal glands, B. Thyroid, C. Spleen, or D. Tonsils? The answer is D. Tonsils.
The tonsils, nestled in the throat, are like bouncers at a club entrance. They stand guard against bacteria and viruses trying to crash the body's party. Interestingly, they can remember past invaders, helping your immune system respond faster next time. Despite their crucial role, they're often removed when problematic.
Question 8. What is cryptozoology the study of? Is it A. Flags, B. Mythical animals, C. Blackberries, or D. Allergies? The answer is B. Mythical animals.
Cryptozoology delves into the mysterious world of creatures like Bigfoot, the Loch Ness Monster, and the Chupacabra. While skeptics dismiss these as mere folklore, enthusiasts argue that these elusive beings might just be undiscovered species. The field blends science with myth, sparking imaginations and keeping alive tales of hidden wonders.
Question 9. What is Xylology the study of? Is it A. Wood, B. Handwriting, C. Fossils, or D. Mountains? The answer is A. Wood.
Xylology, the study of wood, delves into the fascinating world of trees and their structures. This field uncovers secrets about tree rings that reveal historical climate patterns and even ancient civilizations' timelines. Xylologists play a crucial role in understanding ecosystems as they analyze how different wood types impact biodiversity and environmental health.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember, in the universe of trivia, knowledge is atomic, small but powerful. Until next time, keep your curiosity charged and electrons spinning. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until we meet again tomorrow, have a great rest of your day or night. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.